I wanted to make a video of my 2017 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. This is the problem where it won't start. I've been driving for an hour and a half, stopped to get diesel, maybe 5 minutes out of the truck, got back in. Now I put the key in, turn it on, make sure the glow plug lights have gone off, everything else is going off. Try to start it. Nothing. Take it out. I'm going to turn the key around the other way. Somebody said that might work. Try it again. Nothing. Somebody else said you can try and open the door while the key is in. Shut the door. Try it again. Nothing. Take the key out. Open the door. Shut the door. Lock it. Try it again. Nothing. Unlock it. Nothing. Open the door. Shut the door. Nothing. This is probably the 6th or 7th time this has happened in the last month. I did bring it to a Mercedes dealer 2 weeks ago. They said it must be the starter or a ground. They replaced the starter with a remanufactured starter and said 99% sure that will fix the problem. It has not fixed the problem, and I've tried to contact the Mercedes-Benz of Daytona Beach a couple times. He said there's nothing he can do about it except take it in to diagnose it, and he'd have to keep it for a while to do it. And obviously I'm living in my camper in Florida, and that can't be done. He said he understood that, he was apologetic, but that's all he could do about it. I'm going to try it again. Nothing. And the times this has happened in the past, I let it sit for 20 minutes to a half an hour. It appears to cool down, and then it starts up. It finally starts up after that. So I'm going to end the video here, and I'll pick it up next time I try to start it.